We have 3 types of Yahoo. Àwọn ó yẹ kó mú báyìí àwọn ìbéèrè yẹn kó tún follow àmà kọ sílẹ̀. We have 3 types of Yahoo. We have international Yahoo. We have federal Yahoo. We have state Yahoo. Then we have local government Yahoo. International Yahoo is a Nigeria government. Nigeria government is international Yahoo. They are Yahoo. Nigeria government is international Yahoo. Yahoo can be defined. Yahoo can be defined as a thing that you are doing that is not good, that you are using to collect money in wrong way. That is our Nigeria government. They are international Yahoo. That is one. Federal Yahoo. That is pastors. Pastors Afa and Oluwo. They are federal Yahoo. Sekre bebe mana kantan sakuru mana kanse. Tamsuru mana tankanse prikite mananse. Oh, Santa kuri manyanse. God mana katahu kaka gigi. Now, the person that can come out with 1 million naira. Sekre bobo mana kata sakuru kukuku. The first person that will first come out with 1 million naira. Holy Sekre baby. They are federal Yahoo. All the pastors in Nigeria, all the Afa in Nigeria, all the Oluwawos in Nigeria. The state Yahoo are Yahoo Plus. Àwọn Yahoo tó ń kápátá. Tó máa invite boyfriend, girlfriend. Tó máa lọ gé orí ẹ̀. That is state Yahoo. Local government Yahoo. Ó ní àwọn Yahoo tó máa ń pè àwọn òyìnbó. Hello, I love you. I want to marry you. I have land that I want to sell. So if you come to Nigeria, I will do this. I will do that. Are the local government Yahoo. All this Yahoo, God does not tolerate it.